After signing up for Gmail, it's important to complete the setup process to ensure you have a personalized and functional email experience. Follow these steps to finalize your Gmail setup. Step 1. Verify your account. Go to your Gmail inbox and look for a verification email from Google. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. This step is crucial for securing your account and accessing all features. Step 2. Set up your profile. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Here, you can add a profile picture, update your name, and fill in other personal information to make your account more recognizable. Step 3. Customize your settings. Navigate to the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Review and adjust settings such as your email signature, vacation responder, and themes to personalize your Gmail experience. Step 4. Organize your inbox. Create labels and filters to help manage your incoming emails. Go to the Labels tab in Settings to create new labels, and use the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab to set rules for sorting your emails automatically. Step 5. Explore additional features. Take some time to explore Gmail's additional features such as Google Chat, Google Meet, and integration with Google Drive. Familiarizing yourself with these tools will enhance your productivity and communication capabilities. Completing these steps will ensure that your Gmail account is set up to meet your needs. Enjoy your new email experience.